Have you been searching for the right unique small business ideas to try this year? You are in luck, because we've compiled a detailed list of the 10 small business ideas that are worth giving a try. Starting a business comes with numerous perks. You get your own time to do all the things that matter to you the most. In this video, I will share 10 small business ideas worth trying. Lucky for you, these businesses are easy to start, don't require heavy financial investment upfront, and require very little technical expertise. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as we are aiming to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. 1. Amazon FBA. Fulfillment by Amazon and FBA is one of the small-scale business ideas that you will likely find success in this year. How does it work? You find products you would like to sell, purchase them, and send them over to Amazon's warehouses. If your products pass Amazon's quality test, they will be uploaded online onto Amazon.com. When customers place an order for your products, Amazon will package and deliver them directly to your customers. Payments and returns are handled for you by Amazon. Amazon FBA is more convenient than selling via Shopify or WooCommerce. Furthermore, you can use FBA tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout to increase your sales on Amazon. 2. Freelance Writing. Freelance writing is readily one of the easiest online businesses to start in 2022. A computer and an internet connection are all that you need to get started. Contrary to popular opinions, you don't need to have a degree in journalism, literature, or English to get started. If you have expertise or experience in a particular field, such as crypto trading, you can make a business out of it by writing on that subject or shooting videos for your YouTube channel. You can help people understand what are cryptocurrencies, how to trade, which exchanges or crypto portfolio trackers to use. Moreover, you can also provide blockchain PR services, since blockchain technology is the future. But if you don't have any expertise, one good way to start is by hunting for rewriting gigs on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. 3. Building and selling website themes online. If you've got good coding skills and are particularly good at front-end development, you can build a business out of your skills by creating and selling website themes online. Depending on your skill set, you can build themes for WordPress websites and sell them on ThemeForest. However, if you have limited knowledge about WordPress, you can build your theme using Bootstrap, CSS, HTML, and JS and then publish it on Get Bootstrap. Consistency and persistence will go a long way in turning this small business idea into reality. 4. Blogging. Can you still make money today by blogging? The short and simple answer is yes. To succeed with blogging, you need to find a niche with little competition and hit hard on it. Patience and diligence will undoubtedly help. If you're planning to start a blog, it's important to choose the right hosting solution. Hosting helps to ensure your content is always up so that people can read from your blog. Blogging is a good business idea for college students, stay-at-home moms. 5. Property management. If you've worked in the real estate industry before, or you are just good at management, you might find success as a property manager. The thing is, there are lots of property owners who don't have the time to manage their properties spread across town. They need someone they can trust to collect rents, fix broken stuff, and kick bad tenants out. If you've worked in the real estate industry before, or you are just good at management, you might find success as a property manager. So, if you are up to the challenge, by all means, give it your best shot. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is ideal for 9-to-5ers, stay-at-home moms and dads, and anyone looking for a passive side income. How does it work? You find a physical or digital product you would like to promote, drive traffic to that product, and get sales. Each time that product gets sold, you earn a commission. For example, companies would offer 60, 70, 80, or even 90% of each sale made. This means if you sell a $100 product, you can stand to gain $90 from that one sale. To find profitable products to promote, check out platforms like Commission Junction or ClickBank. 7. Home tutoring. Home tutoring is another unique business idea worth giving a try in 2022. The best part is that you can provide this type of service virtually or physically. You can teach just about anything: math, economics, piano, baking. Platforms like Tutoring can help connect you with clients looking for your services. 8. Video editor. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine, just after Google? This is a clear indication that video consumption is soaring, and with the increase in the video popularity, it is a great decision to make videos using creative slide templates to reach your audience. Hence, if you are good at video editing, there are lots of people out there that will need your services. 9. E-commerce. Thanks to the internet, selling is now easier than ever. You can sell products to people on the other side of the planet without leaving the comfort of your own home. When done right, an e-commerce business can be extremely profitable. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is vital for the success of your business. WooCommerce, Shopify, Oberlo are some that you can try. Also, choose your hosting provider carefully and consider deploying your online store on a managed VPS instead of using traditional shared hosting to guarantee yourself much better loading speeds, security, and scalability. Providers like Scala Hosting are among the top-rated companies in this segment, and with their S-Panel, VPS management is no longer a challenge even for newbies. 10. Teach English online. The demand for English teachers around the world has been on the rise. If you speak English natively and have a good internet connection, you can build a business out of this demand by teaching English online. You can use platforms like VipGuide can help you connect with potential clients around the world. In conclusion, starting a business and finding success with it can be demanding, but at the same time rewarding. If you are stuck on ideas, try any of the 10 small business ideas shared in this video. I hope you learned something new from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on making money online.